So, if you follow my channel, you know that I've got a few projects in the works for the Derby Canyon cabin. Not really doing much work out here in the wintertime since I can't really drive my truck up here or get the proper tools. But, gonna need to come up with a new plan for rainwater collection. So, this is one of my almost finished projects that I'm waiting for the spring to do. But this is the first time that we've had some damage here. It looks like basically filled completely with ice. And I'm assuming during the fall, this is a block of ice that's just covered in pine needles, but it's I'm assuming the ice that you can still see in the gutter, it just weighted down too much, caused it to fail and come down. So I'm gonna have to rethink how we're gonna go about that. Now I do have the little snow guards or whatever they're called installed, because I really wanted to make sure that I didn't have big sheets of ice or big sheets of snow come down and tear it off, but it does not appear that was the problem. You can still see from the one that's up there that there's actually icicles going down in it. And again, this might have been a unique challenge for this year with this winter being so warm, having so much ability for water to form and then melt and then turn to ice. I'm not sure if in a normal year with normal temperatures this would be a problem, because you're only really dealing with snow and not rain. It's been extremely warm this year, and so anyway, it's a chance to improve it. That'll be another project for the spring in another month or two when I can start getting my truck up here and bring in the proper tools, and probably going to steal a video I saw where they used PVC instead of a gutter, like a big, I don't know, 6-inch or 4-inch diameter PVC that basically wrapped around the edge of the roof line itself, and that was what they used as a gutter and then funneled that inside. So maybe something like that, maybe better quality hangers, maybe more hangers. There's definitely more than one way to solve this problem, so that'll be a project for better weather. The other thing that's kind of interesting is the rain barrel here has been freezing and unfreezing and melting and pushing up like a giant freaking just floating icicle. Right now, it's pretty solid. Last time I was here, which was like a month ago, it was actually mostly water, and then had just this part that poked up. And basically this net is supposed to be to filter out, you know, particulates and pine needles and that kind of thing. And so it pushed it up as it melted. And again, I just think these are some unique challenges to this year. I don't think that the barrel itself is damaged. It doesn't look like it's like expanded to crack anywhere else. It's just pushing out the top. But again, having these warm temperatures that melt snow or melt ice and then refreeze is causing a few unique challenges that we'll have to think through next year. And I don't really love having ice stuck on here, because that's not going to be good for that siding. And it looks like it's just kind of dripping down from that guy and popping up. But anyway, those will be good projects for the spring. Get this cabin more self-sustaining for water supply, and get that rain barrel, which that's just an overflow barrel for having extra just kind of gray water for random projects or whatever. And I can also obviously filter it and drink it, or boil it and drink it in an extreme pinch. But those will be some projects that you'll see coming to the channel in the next couple months. Until next time, enjoy the outdoors. My mission is self-reliance through sustainable living, and we're here to build a community. Click here to subscribe to be sure to get more awesome content for living off the land. And be sure to go in to enter for notifications. Click that bell, get notifications, and stay in tune. Subscribe, watch, and comment. Let's build a community. See you soon.